Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TRXC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Now, I say today, but really the movement that everybody was focused on was not the entire day. For the most part, nothing was happening, and then the stock got halted for the news, and things took off from there. So the logical question and the big question going forward is, how is this going to react? Are these gains going to be able to maintain itself? So what I want to do is just map out some areas of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance, because very clearly a lot of people are going to be watching this one for the remainder of the week. So the ideal level of support going forward is going to be right here at $1.52. Ideal meaning, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best going forward? Definitely if the price can stay up above that level, but it's not like if the price falls below that area, that implies the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay above that level, that would definitely be a massive sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from the bigger picture point of view, emphasis on bigger picture, because I get it, this purple line I'm about to talk about is way down there when the price is way up there, but that is the 50-period moving average, keyword being moving. So as Thursday and then Friday play out, that line will move itself higher and higher and get more and more relevant. The point here being, how do you gauge the health of the overall movement since the news? That right there being defined as the movement. Just watch the purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above $1.52 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. Initial area of resistance where the sellers showed up after things kind of calmed down a little bit right there at $1.65. After $1.65, this is where things get interesting because, from the charting perspective, it's kind of no man's land up until right around $1.90. Now, I'm not saying that if $1.65 is broken, then, within 10 minutes, it's going to be up to $1.90. My point is just from the technical point of view, like I said, it's kind of just the no man's land up here. So almost like a little miniature blue sky breakout for that area of the chart. So keep an eye on that. But overall, anyway, look at it. Crazy movement today, not only today, really this afternoon, like I said earlier. So let's see if the bulls can start to build upon this momentum or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.